Do it with Madison Beer, but you have to do it again when she's 80. Be granted 3 wishes, but the first person that appears when you click share, then more, passes away. Have free McDonald's forever, but you become 3 years older. Have the body of Henry Cavill, but you lose 4 inches. The iPhone 15 for free, but you have to comment your battery percentage. Have any superpower of your choice, but your family passes away. You get to meet Drake, but he won't leave you alone.
Embarrassing!
Marry Margot Robbie, but you have to leave everyone you know. Cure cancer, but it costs you $1,000.